Well, no banana getting. Nah, this banana sweet though. Ah, this is night. My wife, I know say now you go run tonight. No, let me leave this one. Yeah, balloon also. Concussion. 4 hours, 30 minutes. You never see something. Oh.
This toilet safe. I go to finish all this banana I bought. Just not up to 5 minutes. Are you serious? Is that how you do? Are you serious?
Madam.
See, you don't even bring money for food. You don't even bring money for anything. Eh? You walk up granite, you walk a chicha banana. Maybe this one, the other self. Don't tell me this is what you are drinking for me this night. Eh? And you finished all your banana use man. Have a money to buy. Who does that?
Oh, why?
Eh?
Madam. Eh? Listen to me. I am the man of this house.
Upe.
I have right to eat whatever I want to eat. After all, even then they again.
Like you are the man of the house. And you cannot bring money to buy anything in the house. I don't understand. And you want to finish banana I just buy for there's no up to 5 minutes. Eh? And you are drinking all these things. This is what you can use money to buy. But you cannot bring money for us to eat in the house. Eh? Give me. Imagine. I go make tea, I beg.
Tonight, your own voice is going to hear all the neighbors go hear your voice tonight. And you are still complaining. Nah, guy, I got one. Never say anything. 4 hours, 20 minutes.
Imagine.
I am the man of the house. I have right to do whatever I want to do, okay?
If I make this tea, I will not give you. I will not give you. 5 minutes, you have murdered banana.
Oh, drink alone.
I beg. Fishing talk, I will even spoil this banana first. So nobody will eat it in this house.
Robbie, what is that? What is that? What is that?
Come, help me.
Hey! What is that?
Honey, come and help me. You are the man of the house.
No, man of the house. What? I'm coming. Oh, I'm not man of the house. Honey. This man. Hey, come here. Don't die, oh, honey, Biko. Man of the house. Hey! Okay, I'm going to say now.